Okay, today I'd like to talk about the double the known fact strategy for figuring out a multiplication problem that you might not know. This works really well for a problem that has at least one factor that is an even number. So if we use the multiplication problem, 6 times 9 might be one that I'm having trouble with. And maybe I don't know what that is, but I have memorized most of my facts for the lower levels already. So maybe I know what 3 times 9 is. So I'm going to take this 6, and I'm going to know that I can take 3, which is half of 6, and multiply it by 9. And then 3 times 9 again. Okay. 3 times 9 is, of course, 27. And when you do it again, it's going to equal 27. So then the doubling part comes where I'm going to have to add the 27 and the 27 together. And we end up with 54. When you use an array to show this, really what's happening is when you do a 6 by 9, okay, 1, 2, 3, and then if I take a look at this, I'm going to change my color here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And if I have a 6 by 9, which is what I'm going to create right now, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we'll fill in all these green ones here. So the green section, what I'm actually doing, you're going to see, is the green section will be a 3 times 9, or a 3 by 9 array. And then when I change over into the blue here, what you will notice is that it is also a 3 by 9 array on its own. So what you can see here is that the array that's getting completed is actually the top half is exactly the same as the bottom half. So there's the idea of the doubling part coming in right here. I have a halfway mark. If I put both pieces together, it's going to equal the 34. So this is a pretty handy little strategy to use. Now, if I'm making an array, I'm not going to want to have to do that many x's. What I can do is I can actually just draw the 3 times 9 and I can add it up twice. So you're saving yourself a lot of time of making a lot of x's. I'm sure you noticed that as I was putting them out on the screen, it took me quite a long time. But if I use the double the known fact, I know that I really only have to do a 3 by 9, and then I can add it up 2 times in order to get that, that product, that answer.